Yo, it's good. This Chairman House of Barf. I can't lie. I'm not having fun today. And day started off a little rough today, anyways, because of a bunch of other stuff that I just had going on. Um, uh, it just it's been personal stuff on my mind, and my phone's broken, and I got a bunch of stuff going on. Uh, just marital issues and whatnot. Uh, and then bills and whatnot. I am not having fun this morning. Uh, I cannot find. I'm looking for bullish trades, and I can't find anything. I came across Chegg. Chegg is having a pretty good day today. Um, I'll pull it up. Ticker symbol CHGG. They're trading higher here. I'll let you know. Oh, my read aloud's not working. Oh gosh. Chegg is trading higher after the company reported better than expected quarter two sales results and gave updates regarding its platform and AI. Uh, it's currently trading at approximately $10.66. It's approximately 1:45 p.m. Uh, not having fun. Not having fun today. I was supposed to um, sell a trade earlier, Paramount. But I didn't. Now it's down. Um, this is the only one I can find. Let me take a look. There's another one. CVS. I want to take a look at. $73. Let me check. I just want to look at this chart. Uh Man, I'm not having fun today. This is not going at all. Now bearish. I mean, there's a lot of trades bearish today that I saw. I mean, I can name a few tickers. Where do I put these tickers? This is all I do. This is all I'm doing. Just going over some tickers, looking over some companies. FSK, a little bearish on them. Ticker symbol FSK. I don't even know what to do. SBRA, ticker symbol KD, ticker symbol MRVI, ticker symbol NSA, ticker symbol TEO. Those are just a few that I found a little bit bearish on. If I was to take a look at them. But as far as finding some bullish trades, and that's what I'm looking for is some bull trades. Again, due to my eligibility with my BD, looking at CVS. CVS looks pretty solid. I'm not sure if it's like a day trade or anything I want to do. Um, CVS looks like it's pretty solid. I think it's a good buying opportunity right now. Around $73. So I'm a little bullish, but I'm not saying that that's like a day trade I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. They're currently about $73. That's a little steep for me. Um, hmm. I may do the CVS trade. I'll see. So a couple bulls, Chegg and CVS. Let me go back to Chegg. See. Currently trading about $10.63. Uh, Let me see what I'm looking at. I'll run down a few things real quick. Currently looking at the chart. It does look like um, it could be possibly a reversal of a downward trend. It looks like this may have started, earlier around probably like July 17th when it was trading about $9.26. Currently, again, it's at $10.63. So we kind of missed out a little bit right there. But let's go ahead. Chegg is here. See if my read aloud will work. Um, Let me see real quick. I don't know why I gotta go like through these with my computer every day, but Chegg Inc provides products and services to learners with academic course materials, as well as a career and personal skills development. The company's services and product offerings fall into two categories: subscription services and BUSUU. Subscription services include Chegg Study Pack, Chegg Study, Chegg Writing, Chegg Math. And there's a little bit more than that. Just looking at balance sheets, the balance sheet looks pretty steady. Oh man, my computer's about to die. All right. Total revenue seems pretty steady since over the last 5 years. Here, let me see if I can pull up some of these. Let me go to the income statement. Total revenue, 2018, 321 million. Here, let me make sure I'm saying that correctly. 321 times 1 million. Yeah, 321 million. 2019, 411 million. 2020, 644 million. 2021, 776 million. 2022, 767 million. So their total revenues are increasing. Let me get my charger real quick. My computer's about to die. Just hold on. All right. Yeah, their numbers look really good to me. Volume here. Let me see. Come on. Okay. So just looking at like volume, their average volume is like 2 million a day, which is not very high at all. It's very slow. The 52-week high is about $30, which is that's pretty decent. We're not at the 52-week high. Held. Let me read this. I just want to make sure I'm saying the correct thing. The percentage of outstanding shares that are owned by institutions is approximately 92%. So shares outstanding is 115 million. So majority of almost everything that is outstanding, meaning that is purchased by the shares that are purchased out there. Here, let me just verify that real quick. I try to make sure shares outstanding. The term outstanding shares refers to a company stock currently held by shareholders. Okay, so 92% of the 115 million shares are held by institutions. So I'm gonna, gosh darn, I'll probably do this Chegg. I've been looking around all day today. I mean, ticker symbol after ticker symbol. I got another company I was looking at, LI. I heard TD Ameritrade Network. They were talking about Lee Auto. They said they were watching into it. I'm not saying I am. Looks like it already pretty much went on a run. Um, so excuse me. I'm not sure if I'm gonna touch on that one. May put it in the portfolio, but I'm gonna keep looking. In the meanwhile, here it before 2 o'clock. Let me put this check order in. I'm getting my ass kicked all over. Not to mention, I also got people laughing at me saying, you think you're going to be some podcaster and you think you can be a trader? You suck, you know? And that's kind of getting to me a little bit, you know. So, and then this morning, the Paramount trade, I was up probably about 2%, could have pulled out, made a couple of dollars, got to get ready to roll out, but decided that I wanted to hold. Didn't work out. So let me go ahead. I'll put a Chegg order in. Let me see. Go back to Chegg. I think it was like $10.66. Watch as soon as I try to get it, it's going to start going up. $10.67. I really want to look around at some other ones because this Chegg one, it's not convincing me. It's pretty low. I mean, the lowest has been, let me see, in the last 52 weeks is $8.55. So it looks pretty solid. Let me look at some of the analysts. Analysts are like, nah, dog, you might want to get away from this. There's one market edge that says just hold long. Let me look at some of the SEC filings. Let me see. Insider buyer trade. Uh, who they disposed uh, back on July 12th. So that was a minute ago. What's his name? Dave Longo. He's the chief accounting officer. So Dave Longo dropped said, "Man, I got to get my bread, dog. I got to get my bread." And then there was another one on June 14th. So that's a minute ago. That's nothing too crazy. Daniel Rosenweg, the president, CEO, and co-chairman, disposed of how many shares you dispose of? He got out around $10.93. Okay, so it was up, and he like, yo, I got to get out. Um, mm, okay, let me see. I want to see how many like shares because these people be balling. Like, let me see. Did he get rid of like 1.8 million shares? Amount of securities. Oh no, that's how many he had. He had approximately about 1.8 million shares, and then disposed about 9,000. Let me see. Disposed about 6,500, and then he did another $2,500 transaction. Make sure I'm checking my math. So yeah, he did about 9,000 shares. He got rid of. Man, he good. Let me see, 9,000 at $10. Because it looks like that's the price he sold at. But he just made himself a quick 100K. He was like, "Let me get a quick 100K real quick," and he rolled out, and he still got what 100 and he still didn't even change to 1.8. It went from like 1.887 to like 1.881, something like that. So he's something like that. Don't quote me. So he's doing good. So it's not that they're getting rid of it. They just probably just needed some extra chicken just to take care of the fam or whatever they had to do. This was in June, so he probably was just trying to take a trip. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Uh, so yeah, it looks like a few people did some trades in June. Let's look. I just want to look at a couple more of these. Who acquired? Marcella Martin. Marcella acquired about 19,000 shares. Not to be putting all these people business out there. She don't got as much as everybody else. She got like 33,000 shares. Um, she's a director. So Marcella, I didn't see any sales from Marcella yet. Okay, so the inside people fool with the company. Um, I think so. I think based off of the last few insider joints that I just saw, they got out while it was hot. They said, I'm gonna go ahead and sell some shares, but they didn't sell like at all. They just sold enough. I see another guy that does say Nathan Schultz. They just said, you know what, like he just got rid of, let me see, 2,200 plus another 875 plus another 1751. So he got rid of about 4,800 shares at $10.93. So he made himself about 50K. He was like, let me get 50K real quick. You know what I'm saying? And in June, and let me take the family on a trip. So let me not, because now it's at $10.68. And one time I saw it jump up to 10.80, and I was like, oh shit, I lost my opportunity. So let me go ahead. I'm sorry. The technical analysis on this thing does not look too good. But I mean, I was looking at it. I'm like, I feel bullish about it. I don't know how bullish, but let's go ahead. Let me see. The technical analysis. The chart is very basic, and I already kind of missed out on the boom. I mean, it went down to like 8.55. So I already missed out on about $2.11. And a bunch of the insiders are already like, yo, we're getting out like around this time. You know what I'm saying? So not saying that it won't go higher. That's not what it's saying, but we're kind of going to get out. Not to mention it was recently at like $18 around April. Okay, so it was at $18, had a substantial drop. Then it got up to about 1093, and it was probably like, you know what, we're just gonna take some cream off the top, um, and then we'll kind of just see what it does. So, and it had a pretty decent day today. Let me see, pretty decent day, about 6.32%. Um, mm, I wonder, is it even really worth waiting? I mean, with stocks like these, because you know, I mean, not much volume. A dollar can change your whole situation. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Let's just say you take $1,000. I mean, yeah, you take $1,000 in times of that's $1,000 right there. But so if it drops to $9.85 and then goes up to like 10.85, boom, right there. But getting it at 10.66, and then well, not if you put $1,000 in, but I guess if you had 1,000 shares, I'm sorry, if you put $1,000 in at 10.66, um, with a $10,000, uh, $10,666 or something like that. But let me see, 1,000 divided by 10.66, I get about 93 shares, and then that'll just be $93, and I don't see this shit like going crazy. So this is when it's like, man, I wish I had eligibility for options, because then I could get 1,000. I could get 10 contracts. Um, Not sure what I'm gonna do with Chegg. I think I'm just gonna leave Chegg alone. This is the only one I saw that I was like, you know what, I'm a little bullish on it. Uh, uh, and do I see it going to $11? Like 11, all that. I'd have to wait till like the end of this month. You know what I'm saying? When everybody goes back to school, and I'm not sure. You know what? I think it's worth putting Chegg in like the watch list. So this is the only one I've seen today. I'm gonna I'm gonna keep clicking around, uh, seeing if I can find something. It's been rough today trying to, it's been practically, if I could be incorrect, practically kind of a bearish day today. Um, I'm trying to figure something out, man. This is our sweetheart. This isn't funny. This isn't funny. I'm not having. It's not a fantastic bull day. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick break. I'm still looking around. Uh, Chegg, I would say here. You know what? Let's just do it for the just real quick. I'll put in a quick simulated trade. I'm gonna go Chegg, and I'm gonna do. I don't know when everybody go back to school. Um, Everybody should be going back to school, like definitely by September, if not October. So I'll go out to September. Let's go October. That's 70 days out. Um, no, we don't gotta go that long. Let's just let's go to September 15th. By then, everybody should be back in school. Um, People start subscribing to their Chegg, getting it up and popping. I want to do October because I know that's probably when people waste time trying to say, okay, I'm gonna start off fresh, and then it's like, nah. So yeah, let me see. Oh shit. Oh man. Oh, see, they be knowing exactly what people thinking. I was going to the October 20th, 2023, call above $10, and it's that's not too bad. It's about $1.45, $1.35. Um, Let me see, September. Um, yeah, that's about $1.10. See, that's a little bit more, but maybe people get started. So I'll just do it. Just quick paper trade. Um, we'll go to September 15th. People should be getting ready to get back in school. September 15th. Um, um, Let me see. What do I want to say? The probability. What's it at? 1063. This is a probability. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go to analyze tool real quick. Probability analysis. By September 15th, what's the 50/50? It's about 1040. So let me get 10. I'll say $10. September 15th. Um, or should I try to sell the put with the intentions of getting it around $8? I think that would be a good idea. And uh, so around, if I forget what the break even would be. Here, let's take a look at that. Yeah, let me just do, because then all I do is collect the credit, and let me just do the call. I'm just going to do the call real quick. I'm going to buy a call. I'll do 10 contracts, market order, September 15th, 2023, check, strike price 10. So let's just put it in. Let's see how it goes. See if somebody wants to sell me this contract. It's already above $10. So people may be like, not really interested. Okay. Let me irritate people and just put it at 11. I'll do strike price 11. Like, nah, dog, you crazy. Yeah, it's very possible. Oh, somebody took it. Okay, bet. And again, these are just simulated. Okay, so don't go too crazy. All right, so somebody took it. Strike price 10. Okay. All right, cool. We'll check out Chegg, see what it is. It's a long call position. Check it out. Trying to figure this out. I'm gonna go through, try to find some more tickers, see if there's anything bullish tomorrow. All right, thank y'all. This is Chairman House of Bar.